Hi everyone, this is Learning with Mr. Q. This video is part of a series on the FSA Math Practice Test questions, and you can find these questions on the Florida Department of Education. If you do a Google search and type 4th grade FSA Math Practice questions, you should be able to find these. All right, so now if you're looking at 14 and you're not sure how to solve this problem, so that's what this video is for. I'm going to take you step by step through the process, all right? So number 14 says, which equation is true? So now just a little review. An equation, it's referring to a math problem that has an equal sign, right? Has an equal sign. And so we have a math problem on both sides of the equal sign. So they want us to see which one is true, and what they're referring to is if you just solve this problem on the left side of the equal sign, you're going to get an answer. And then when you solve this problem on the right side of the equal sign, you're also going to get an answer. And they want to know if you have the same answer. If you have the same answer, then it's equal. If you don't have the same answer, then it wouldn't be equal. And that's why they're asking which one is true, right? So one of them is true, the others would not be. So if we just, all you really have to do is just add the numbers, 340 plus 20, and that would be 360. And then if I do 370 plus 10, well, that's 380. So that one does not work. So then we go ahead and try it again. 340 plus 30, that's 370. And then 350 plus 10 more, well, that would be 360. So that sentence is not true, or that equation is not true. Excuse me. Then you go to the next one. 340 plus 40 is 380. And then 340 plus 10, well, that one won't work, right? Because that's 350. So then we just try that last one. 340 plus 50. So this one should work unless we did a mistake in our math. 340 plus 50 is 390, and then 380 plus 10 more is 390. So there we go, that works. We can see that the equation on the left side of the equal sign right here is 390, and then on the right side is also 390, so that is a true equation sentence. So the answer is D, and so you just bubble that in. And now just remember, you don't want to cross out, right? You don't want to do that. If you do that, you can the person or the machine scoring it will think that you put that as an answer. So if you do want to indicate that it's not your answer, just more for yourself, you can put an X right on the side there, and that'll help you, okay? Well, thank you so much for watching Learning with Mr. Q. I hope that helps.